then multiplied by the number of coefficients it comes with. This is 6x. Every variable x or a variable with power 1 is represented by 2 cubes, then multiplied by any coefficient it carries. So that is why I'm multiplying it by 6. So meaning I'm going to be using 12 cubes here, but they are going to be in twos, just like you can see here. This is in twos. I've just stacked it together. So this is representing variables x with raised to power 1. So as you can see here, you have it up to 6 of them. Likewise, this is representing the x square variable with the power 2. So that is 4 cubes. I have already tacked it together. Then we have the constant. We have 1 cube representing each constant, and then we have a constant of 9. That is why I'm multiplying the single cubes by 9. So we have a total of 4, 12, and 9 single cubes to be used. So we'll begin our calculation. So how do we use this to solve this quadratic equation? Very simple. Now, this is what we are going to do with this. So now we begin our calculation. I am picking the x power 2 first, and I'm going to use the 6x, that is the cubes, 2 cubes up to 6, to wrap around this x squared. But I'm not going to cover every aspect of the x squared totally. So I'm going to leave the space here, 2 spaces. I'm going to use it to cover it round. Please, you do not cover the entire. Make sure that when you're placing this, that it doesn't cover an entire color, an entire space of color. There are reasons why we say that. So it will be easy for us to identify our answers at the end. So I am going to use this. Watch how I do that. So you can see what I have done. You can all see what I have done. Remember, we're working with the perfect square. We are supposed to be using this to create perfect squares. In case this, you have just like a space left, this is still there. So this can fill the space up, and then you continue forming the square shape.